Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here in YOUCANIC we have a 2019 Chevy Trax, and on the Chevy Trax we're going to go over how you replace your window door switches. We have the window door switch unit, so there's 3 different modules in here, but we have the window door switch unit to control your windows to go up and down. This one here is for your mirror, and then we have one for your door locks. To gain access to those, we need to pop this cover up. We're able to work the cover up and then be able to pop it out, and now we can bring it out, we get access, and we undo all the electric connectors on the back. This bottom one has a safety lock on it for the door locks, so you just need to pop that safety back a little bit, then you'll be able to depress the button there to unhook that. And then just work your way, pressing all the buttons and being able to remove the whole window door switch. So we have our window door switch removed. Now we go around the back side and we see that these are 3 different components. And so if depending on which one we're replacing, they would all be the same repeat process, but we need to pop this switch unit out by working our way around. And then we pull out that whole unit, and that is your window door switches. And so we would get a new one of these, you would take it and just put it back in the reverse order and be able to snap that into place. Do the same. Do essentially the same procedure with the module for the to control your mirrors, and then just be able to easily snap that back into place. And then we also, if our mechanism here isn't working to lock and unlock our doors, be able to pop that switch out, pressing in those tabs, and then just take your new one and be able to insert it. Now it can only go one way. We have this little indent. If you try to put it this way, it won't fit. So we have the proper indent lined up, and now just snap it back into place. And then whichever one you decide, whichever one you needed to replace in here, that's the way you would pop them all out. There's, like I said, there are 3 separate modules, and so now we've done all that, we can go ahead and put this back in the vehicle. So we're back here to the vehicle. We're going to line up our electric connectors and just snap them into place. And then the last one here with the blue for the door locks, we want to make sure that we push in the red tab for its double lock. Test that everything works. Well, at least the door locks at the moment. And now just line this up over it. We have a little bit of a tab here on the bottom. This needs to be guided down past and snap that into place. And so that's how you would replace your window door switch on your 2019 Chevy Trax. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.